Dags i Danmark. Det vil lige sige tillykke fødselsdagen. Alle tre. Den er hende her, den bedste, som gerne vil hoppe i poolen samtidig. Hey, can you say happy birthday? Ja, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, she say happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy. Give. Birthday to you. See? Happy birthday to you. Come.